evening guys. Today I will solve a coding decoding problem for you. Okay. So most of you who are appearing for upcoming competitive exams like IAS, mainly for different kind of banking exams like IBPS, Bank 2, etc. This is a very important chapter and you have to learn the art of solving any type of coding decoding problem for your upcoming exam success. So let's start with this. I have already discussed the same thing, similar kind of coding decoding problems in my previous videos. So you have to keep your close eyes on that videos, and also we have to watch this one for now. Okay, let's start it. Belt is written as AGKV. So how drag will be coded as? So if we see, or if we say that belt is one code which is decoded as AGKV, so the code drag have to be decoded. So let's jump directly to the logic here. How it comes actually, A, G, K and V. So let's start with top left letter of the word build. We have to find the relation between the particular letters put in a similar position in both coding and decoding version. I want to say that if we consider B, that is the top left letter of this word build, we have to find the relation between B and A, which is also the top left letter of this word AGKV. So what is the relation? B minus 1 equal to A. Now consider the second letter between the code and decoded version. Okay, so E and G. What is the relation between E and G? E plus 2 equal to G. I want to say that G comes in advance of 2 from E. I mean E, then A and then G. So position wise it's incremental of it's incremented by 2. Similarly L minus 1 equal to K and T, Q and V, then T plus 2 equal to V. So minus 1 plus 2 is the relation between that coded and decoded version. Okay, so if we take the word drag, so D minus 1 equal to C, then G plus 2 will be I, A minus 1 will be Z, and G plus 2 will be I. So C I Z I. Okay. Sorry, that is just a minute. It is drag. Okay, so it is dr and r plus 2 is just t instead of I. Very sorry for that. Now CTZI. So the code drag will be decoded as CTZI. Got the logic? Similarly, one word dynamite. Is coded as so how the word heptagon will be coded, or this particular coding is decoded as this. So heptagon should be decoded as this one, which I have to find it. Okay, let's jump to the logic. Now, as per the basic rule of solving coding decoding problem is just observe here D and Y and here YD, just the position is reversed. So dy is put as YD. Now n to O, what is the relation between n and O? N plus 1 is O. A to B, A plus 1 B. M to N, M plus 1 is N, or N. Now just observe the last three words. I T E to E T I. What is the relation? Just the middle letter is kept fixed and the top right and top left letters are just reversed to get this one. So thus this code is decoded as this. Now, keeping the same logic intact, we need to find the decoded version of heptagon. So heptagon is, that is HE. So just reverse the position of the letters. Now P plus 1 Q, T plus 1 Q, A plus 1 P, and GON. Just keep the middle letter fixed and reverse the other two. So N will come here and G will come here. So what we actually get here? We get heptagon is decoded as E H Q U B N O G. Okay. So that is the answer. Let's move on to the third one. K E D G Y to E K T. It's very easy. From this you have already got the idea about the logic written here. Okay, so how this will be decoded, we have to find. So let's observe the first portion and let's unfold the first portion. Okay, so K E D G Y. What is the relation between these two? Position reversed. Now this D is kept intact here and GY similarly YG, that is position reversed. Similarly in case of LIGH T, LI, so position will be reversed IL, G will be kept intact and HT position will be reversed. So that will be ILGHT. So light will be decoded as this one. So that's the logic. Hope you have got it properly. And now it's your part to keep your patience on and moving on. I'm coming with more in my next videos. For then and for until then, it's thanks from my end.